Team, how's it going? I know it's been a very long time since I posted anything, and it's not because I've been on holiday. It's because I've been working and setting things up to improve myself, to improve my content, and overall improve the channel. So in this video, I'm gonna go over everything that I've been up to, everything that may happen in the future. All right, so the first thing that I wanna announce is that I have access to a road course. It's not just a home track that I can go during a track day. Like, no, I have a membership, which means I can go on off days where the amount of people is very limited and I can test and tune a lot of things. Now what that translates to is that for the channel, I can test and tune parts, I can try out my settings, I can even improve my driving style, which needs great improvement. So that being said, this opens up a whole world of things that I can do in terms of bringing you guys content, because now I'm gonna be the same driver and I can use this car or I can use another car and I can test and tune and see how those things translate in real life on the track. So for me, that's pretty exciting. I've never thought I would have an opportunity to do that. So I'm excited to learn, and I'm excited to show you guys all my ups and downs and everything in between. So that's the first thing. Another cool thing about having access to a track is that now I can use more tooling. The hardest part about getting your lap times down and seeing if it's you or the car or maybe some variable that you can't see is having the correct tooling to make sure everything is done consistently. So now that I have access to a track, I can also test tooling and see how well those tools work. So another cool development is that I have a larger workspace, which means the car can be down longer, I can store and move parts around a little bit more comfortably, and I may be able to fit another car in here. So that's very, very useful. And if you have a project, that space is worth its area in gold, I guess that, whatever. But yeah, so I have the largest workspace, so that's gonna be very useful in the future. I was also able to transform that workspace because when it started, it's just a bare spot. If you guys are interested in seeing how I transform my workspace, say it in the comments and maybe I'll make a video in regards to that. Now, speaking of you guys making comments, I really appreciate you guys commenting, liking, subscribing, because it encourages me, it makes me, it motivates me to do more content, but also like some of the things that I create is based off of what you guys ask for. So if there's something that you want to see, feel free to leave it in the comments, because that's gonna help me help you. And then, maybe I'll learn something from you. If there's something that I do in my videos that a better way or another way, or maybe seeing something that you're kind of curious to see if it works, just say it in the comments. I have no problem with constructive criticism or tips, because I'm still learning and I'm never gonna stop learning. Now, it may seem like a cheesy transition, but the reality of it is, never stop learning has been my philosophy for a long time, and I say a lot on the channel. So, as you probably saw, I made shirts. That's right, never stop learning is something that's a part of me, so I wanted to wear that and I wanted to represent it. And I want to inspire people to have that thinking, not just in, automotive or motorsports, but in life. So I made these shirts. They are available on the site. I'll put the link in the description. You guys go ahead and grab one. I also have hoodies with the RyKing logo. They're all designed and done by me. I will be making more different designs, and I've been learning how to do the graphics and all that. So there's a lot of cool things coming up this year. So another thing I want to talk about is my playlist setup. I have several playlists, and most of them are made for you guys, the team. So check those out. Some of them are Subaru specific, some of them are Benji specific, some of them are other YouTubers' content that I think you may enjoy or appreciate or learn something from. The other one I have is the community outreach thing. I know in 2020, I did not really put out a lot of videos about community outreach. And that's because it's really kind of awkward and weird to film you trying to, help other people, because it kind of seems to be, it may come off as self-serving, which is I don't want. But what I realize is, if you can inspire other people to do similar things to what you're doing, then if that's where your heart is, then it's okay. So I'm gonna make an effort to upload more things in my community outreach playlist, because if I do something, cool, but if I can encourage you guys or inspire you guys to do something, then that's even better, because the more the merrier. So stay tuned for more of the playlist being updated. Check out the playlist, because there's plenty of things in there that I think, if you like cars and stuff, there's plenty of stuff that you will probably appreciate. So check those out as well. All right, so that's pretty much all I have for this video. I have a new track membership, I have a new workspace, I have the merch you guys can pick up. Yep, I changed my shirt, and I'm actually looking at new parts right now. There's some new parts on the way, and there's new parts in Benji that you have not seen. So there's a lot going on. I hope you guys are excited. Don't forget, you can always message me on the comment section or on Instagram, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. So till the next time, never stop learning, and thanks for watching.